If you've encountered security checks on your Netflix account and need to restore full access, follow these steps to resolve the issue efficiently. Step 1. Verify your email address. Before starting recovery, use the src.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 2. Reset your password. Go to the Netflix login page and select Forgot Password. Follow the prompts to reset your password. Choose a strong, unique password to enhance your account security. Step 3. Check your account activity. Log into your Netflix account and review your recent account activity. Look for any unauthorized access or changes. If you notice anything suspicious, report it to Netflix immediately. Step 4. Update security settings. Navigate to your account settings and update your security options. Enable two-factor authentication if available, and ensure your recovery email and phone number are current. Step 5. Contact Netflix support. If you still cannot access your account after following the previous steps, reach out to Netflix customer support. Provide them with the necessary information to help resolve your issue quickly. By following these steps, you should be able to restore full access to your Netflix account. If problems persist, don't hesitate to seek further assistance from Netflix support.